Hi, I'm Leslie, and I just wanted to take a few moments and do a quick product demo on the Journey backpack. So this backpack has been really popular this season. It's been selling out and coming back into stock and selling out. So I wanted to share why everybody's loving it so much. So mine is in the soft camo print, and I've got this beautiful personalization there that you can see. So pretty, I'm loving that. So one thing that makes this backpack really great is the straps are nice and cushy. They're adjustable, so you can adjust it to your liking. I like to wear it a little bit high up on my back, but you can certainly adjust that to whatever's comfortable for you. I love that the pockets are nice and sturdy, and they've got this elastic here so you can fit a nice water bottle nice and sturdy. Got another one on that side. In the front, you have a great zipper pocket. Zip that up there. And I love this pocket. It's a great size. I've got my All About the Benjamins wallet here. So I'm going to show you, stick that wristlet in there. You can fit the All About the Benjamins wallet right in that front pocket. There's plenty of space, plus additional space too. There's more space in there. So that's the front pocket. I love this little D-ring here. You can hang your keys there, or my personal favorite, a photo key fob. I love hanging a photo key fob here. And on the inside, we've got a really cool feature, a thermal pocket. So that means that you can put something in there that you don't want to get wet in the rest of the bag, like a bottle of water or a sippy cup, or even some snacks that you want to stay a little bit cooler. So that's perfect for that little thermal pocket. Everything else on the inside is wide open, so you can see it's nice and spacious in there. I packed this thing with all sorts of items for a day out with the family. I also pack it for days at the office, folders, my laptop, you name it, I fit it in here. Now something else that I like to bring in my Journey backpack along with my All About the Benjamins wallet is going to be my Ruby Mini. My Ruby Mini is going to hold all of those little extras. It's going to hold my mask, my lip gloss, my hand sanitizer, all those little things that are going to be floating all around my purse. And of course, I'm probably going to want to put my phone right here in the front. But again, even if I want to, there's enough space in the front for my Ruby Mini and my wallet. So hopefully that gives you a good feel for what the Journey backpack is all about. Let me know what questions you have, because I love this thing. This is one of my favorites this season, and I would love to chat more about it with you and find the perfect print and personalization for your style. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.